Hello, in this tutorial we are going to look about project information option in MS Project. So after creating calendar, the next step will be we need to just set the project information. Okay, so in this regard we need to go into the project menu, then project information. Okay, this kind of dialog box will appear, and in this we need to just set the start date and the current date. At the start of the project, these two dates should be same. This is very important. Okay, project start date and the current date should be same, so we need to just select both of these dates as same dates. Okay, next to it we need to just assign the calendar to the project. Okay, as we have created tvtc calendar, so we need to just select our project calendar over here. Next to it we have schedule options. Okay, we have two options over here, project start date and project finish date. Okay, so if you will select project start date as a schedule from, so it's mean that the programs calculate finish date based on given start date. Okay, given start date. And if you will select here project finish date, program calculates a start date based on giving finish date. Okay, so this is the meaning of project start date and project finish date. Okay, so these are the settings that we need to do in project information. So let's open the software and do the same example over there. Now I have open MS project, and I'll simply go here in project, then I'll go here in project information. Then we need to just set the start date and the current date as same in start of our project. Okay, so I'll go here. Let's suppose our project is going to start on 2 of January 2021, and the same will be our current date. Okay, so I'll just select this one, simply just copy from here. Okay, like this, then I'll select this one, I'll paste it over here. Okay, so both of these dates are same right now. Then next to it we need to just assign the calendar to this project, so I'll select here from this drop down as tvtc calendar that we have created earlier. Okay, next to it I have already explained what is project start date and project finish date in schedule from, so I'll select here project start date, then simply I'll press OK from here. So our calendar has been assigned over here, but in chart you can see still it is showing as non-working days as Saturday and Sunday, but in our calendar the non-working days is Friday. Okay, so to change this, simply right click on the chart, then go into non-working time. Okay, and you need to just go into the non-working and you need to select from here your calendar. Okay, tvtc project calendar, select this one, and you can see the preview or press OK from here. Now Friday is holiday. Okay, and every second Thursday will be also holiday because we have had recurring holiday over here. This Thursday is a holiday, next one will be not holiday, and the next will be holiday. Okay, so this is how we can just assign calendar from project information. Hope you really understand this session. We'll see you in the next.